In this video, we are going to learn about the Embroidery Tool Kit by Dime. The Embroidery Tool Kit comes with 15 different placement tools to help you achieve expert results for your embroidery placement. The Embroidery Tool Kit comes with 4 adhesive rulers, which are great for attaching to your hoops or even your sewing table. It comes with several sheets of target stickers for marking embroidery placement and centering rulers to help you locate the center of a variety of different items. The Embroidery Tool Kit also comes with target rulers. These rulers have an opening in the center for marking embroidery placement once you've found the center with your ruler. It also comes with the angle finder, which is perfect for calculating how much you need to rotate your design if you by chance didn't hoop perfectly straight. It also comes with these very useful hoop shields to protect your hoop when you are using spray adhesive. Let's see some of the tools from the Embroidery Tool Kit in action. Your Embroidery Tool Kit comes with several different centering rulers. These rulers are great for finding the center of a variety of different items. It even comes with this very unique adjustable ruler for placement of embroidery in the shape of a V or an L. These rulers are flexible, so they're great for surfaces that are not flat. Let's see how to use the centering ruler on this visor. I'm going to be using the centering ruler to find the center embroidery area of the front of the visor, and I'm going to be marking placement with my target sticker. The centering rulers are all flexible, which make it very easy to locate the center of any item. The ruler starts at 0 in the center, so all you have to do is match the corresponding number on either side of the 0. Once you've located the center of your item, simply mark the center location with your target sticker. Now you're ready for embroidery. Your Embroidery Tool Kit comes with 2 sizes of target rulers. The target rulers are also flexible, which make them perfect for locating the center of items even if they're not flat. The other unique part of the target ruler is the opening in the center. You can mark where to land your embroidery without removing the target ruler. To use the target ruler, place it over your item and locate the center by aligning the corresponding marks on all sides of the target ruler. Once you've located the center of your item, use your target sticker to mark the location. Now you're ready for embroidery. Let's use the angle finder to determine how much we need to rotate our design on this napkin corner to make sure that it stitches perfectly straight. I have located the position I want to place my embroidery and marked it with the target sticker. The target sticker has 1 arrow and I have it placed on my item pointing to where the top of the design would be. Since I'm not hooped straight, I need to calculate how much I need to rotate my design. The angle finder can help me with this task. To use the angle finder, after I've hooped my item, I'll place the angle finder over the target sticker, centering the grommet over the intersection of the crosshair on the target sticker. When using the angle finder, make sure that you place the 0 toward the top of the hoop, so that's in the 12 o'clock position. Also make sure that your angle finder is square in the hoop. Once you've made sure all of those things are in place, rotate the top dial on your angle finder and line it up with the arrow on your target sticker. Record the number that the arrow is pointing to. In this case, it is 315 degrees. Once you've determined this number, you'll take your hoop to your embroidery machine, use your rotate feature, and rotate your design 315 degrees. Use your needle positioning to center your needle over the center of the target sticker. Once your design is in place, remove your target sticker and you're ready to embroider.